Hey everybody, it's Natasha with The Food Factor. Every now and then, we all could use an upgrade. And here's a twist to a classic grilled cheese sandwich. Let's get into it. I have sliced up the bell peppers, and I'm using red and yellow bell peppers. I have spinach, onions, I have mozzarella cheese, which is a great low-fat cheese, and I have put butter on my bread, and now I'm gonna sprinkle a little garlic on there to give it that garlic butter flavor. And now it's time to build. So we're gonna start off with our spinach, all right? And then the peppers, okay? And then you're gonna end with your slice of cheese, and we're gonna stack it on top. Now it's time to put in the skillet, and we have the skillet on medium-low. Oh, I hear it sizzling. You wanna put a top on it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, but halfway you wanna flip it. So we're gonna let it go for 1 minute. Here's a pro tip. When you make one, you better make two, because somebody else is gonna want one.